Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is MJ Starao nagsabing food is life. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestions. And subscribe now and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos to come. Kumusta mga ka-foodie? And today's episode po ay magluluto po tayo ng Chinese long soup. Tinatawag nilang starfish seashells long soup. Sangkap sa pagluto natin ng long soup ay ito yung carrots, ito yung dried na seashells, goji berries, ito yung pork bones, starfish, at saka yung dried yam. Ibabad lang natin sa tubig ang starfish at saka yung dried seashells bago natin lutuin. Around 30 minutes. Boil 3 liters of water and ilagay lahat ng mga ingredients. Cook for 2 hours with low fire. And season with 2 tablespoons of salt. After 2 hours, the soup is ready to serve. Enjoy! And this is our own version of starfish seashells long soup. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe today, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos to come. Thank you for watching. God bless!